Hey guys, so it's time for me to bring you another monthly unboxing from LUX SB. I am so grateful to be part of this subscription box because I get to try new fragrances every month. If you guys would like to hear more about LUX SB and see what I got in this month's bag, then just keep watching. Okay, so LUX SB, formerly Luxury Scent Box, is a scent subscription box where each month you get almost a month's worth of fragrance to try. You can pick which fragrance you try. You can take a quiz and let the experts decide what you try. You can also plan out what you get each month, which is nice. So if you know you're going on a tropical vacation in February, you can pick a fruity scent in January. So I like that you can customize it. So they always send me a handful to share with you guys as like what they have available. There are so many to pick from. So let's see what they sent me this month. They come in a little box like this. And inside they come in a little canister. Let me explain how this works if you are new to this brand. They twist to open and then press to dispense. This is also how you can pop the little vial out and see what this one is. This one is Carner Barcelona Latin Lover, which I know nothing about this, so I will have to look them up and put the notes on the screen here when I'm editing this video. Let's give this one a try. Okay. I would say this would skew more on like the men's scent side, but I feel like they are pretty universal. This one has a very clean smell. I can't really put my finger on any of the notes. It just smells honestly like a clean, zesty type of fragrance. That doesn't help you whatsoever. I'm aware of that. I like it. Like, it reminds me of something my husband would wear, so I like it. That's the first one they sent me to share with you guys this month. Next up, this one comes in a little gold canister. This one is Carner Barcelona, same brand as the last one, Fig Man. So sometimes they try to push like new brands that people may not have heard of before. Okay, I smell a little bit of mint in this. Mint is the only detectable fragrance, but again, it's like a clean fragrance. I wouldn't say it's fruity. It's not sweet. It doesn't have any coffee undertones. It doesn't have any floral undertones. I'm only getting like a hint of like a minty fragrance and then like a fresh scent. So again, I'll put the notes here when I am editing because obviously my description is not helping you at all this month. Normally I can pick out like if there's a fruit or a certain flower or like a certain flavor, but I am striking out this month. Here. Last one that they sent me to share with you guys this month is in this red canister, and this one is Etat Libre d'Orange, Remarkable People. This was the fragrance that I used to love that Sephora stopped carrying. My husband loves this one on me, so thank you so much, LUX SB. He's going to be very happy about this. Now this one I know I like, but I may not be able to tell you the notes in this one either. Yeah, obviously from the name, there's a little bit of citrus in this one, a little bit of muskiness to it, maybe a little bit of vetiver, I think that's how you say it. Maybe a little patchouli. I like this one. Obviously, I already knew this one. This is not a sweet fragrance. Normally, I go for like the sweet, fruity fragrances. This one is a bit more like, I would say like romantic and mysterious. But I still like this one. It's not overpowering. It's not floral. I do not like rosy floral fragrances. They're just not for me. So I think that this one's probably my favorite. I think this one's probably my favorite of the bunch. And then we have the first one and then the Fig Man. That's probably the order. So I like this one the most. Obviously, it's a old favorite that I've run through completely, which doesn't happen often. They also send you a little velvet travel pouch so that if you are traveling, obviously these remain locked because you have to twist to open. Then you can put them in here to travel with and keep them safe and clean, which I like. So hope you guys enjoyed seeing the previews that I received from LUX SB this month. As always, the details are down below for how to sign up, prices, website, and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.